So you might be in a situation where for some reason your iPhone screen is blurry. Now this can happen for a couple of different reasons. Sometimes the blurry icons can kind of be a little bit weird, and you might have to go ahead and either reduce the transparency or kind of turn off some liquid glass stuff. So number one, what you can do is if you want to, you can make your way over to your iPhone settings if you're on iOS 26, scroll down to your display options right here, display and brightness, and you can go ahead and turn the liquid glass option from clear to tinted. And this might give you a little bit less of that blurry approach. You can turn it the other way around, or you can also reduce transparency. So make your way over to your iPhone settings again, tap on the accessibility option, which is right over here, then tap on display and text size, which is right over here, and then you want to just toggle on this reduce transparency option right there. So tap on that, and that's another way that you can kind of fix and address this type of problem. Now, sometimes your wallpaper in the background can be blurry, and you can also adjust this and fix this as well. So on your home screen, what you can do is you can hold down on a particular portion of your home screen. In the top left, you can tap on the edit button right up here. You can tap on customize, and then at the bottom, sometimes there can be some ways of kind of going through and turning off that clear approach. You can turn clear icons, you can turn them tinted again, you can change them to the default settings. That's another way, and you can also do that with your wallpaper as well, turning it off from being blurred to being normal. So those are kind of just some ways to do it. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that'll mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.